From this video I will show the vectors, revision problems involving vectors. Vector is the grade 12 chapter, as well as the big problems in the structure paper and the essay part problem. B part essay question, you can see the vectors involving first part vectors, the second part coplanar forces. So I will show some problems involving here, especially for the revision type of works, those who are preparing for exams. Okay, so write this first question, first problem, write this. Define the scalar product. Define the scalar product of two non-zero vectors. Define the scalar product of two non-zero vectors, vector A and vector B. Define the scalar product of two non-zero vectors, vector A and vector B. Full stop. In the following situations, find the angles between find the angle between vector A and B, vector A and B, vector A and B. First part, vector A dot A minus B vector equal to 0 and vector B equal 2 times mod of vector A, 2 times mod of vector A. For first condition, you will find the angle between the two vectors A and B. A dot A minus B equals 0 and vector B equal 2 times mod of or modulus of the vector A. Second part, mod of vector A equal mod of vector B, which is also equal to A plus B. A plus B modulus. So it's my first question. So please subscribe my video and press the bell sign. You will receive automatically my all videos, full revision type, full attractive problems in combined maths. So we'll see the basic problem. The first question, define the vector dot product. There are two types of product in vectors, scalar product and vector product or dot product. But you don't have many vector product problems. The idea most in the dot or the scalar. So we'll define that. First part, define the scalar product of two vectors A and B. So if you learn properly, you can stop the video. You try yourself first and you can see with me later after. Post your video and check with me my answers. So what is scalar product? How to define that? So define the scalar product or state the scalar product, or in this case method is shown like this. You take two vectors here, vector A and vector B, and the angle between this is theta. So you will state that the two vectors are A and B and the angle theta between them. Therefore, scalar product of the two vectors A and B shown as A dot B, A dot B. Scalar product of two vectors shown A dot B, so which is equal to what? Mod of A into mod of B into cos theta. This is the definition or state what we mean that scalar product or dot product. Also you have to mention about theta, where how the range of theta from 0 to pi, 180 degrees. So 0 less than or equal theta less than or equal pi. So the first part here, define the scalar product of two vectors A and B. Okay, now we find the angle for each situations given below. Two parts there. For the both satisfy, we can calculate or find the angle theta between two vectors A and B. So first part, they said vector A dot A minus B equal to 0 or 0 vector, right? Also another data, vector B equal 2 times vector A. So by connecting these two informations or data, find the angle, the value of the angle between the given two vectors A and B. So what the method? How to work such problems? So here we first evaluate this, simplify this dot product, so multiple. So the dot product or the scalar product, like ordinary arithmetic or ordinary algebra, ordinary rules of associative law, commutative law, all valid for the dot product. So multiple this product it A dot vector A dot A minus A dot B equal to 0. So you know A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. What is A dot A then? Mod A cos, angle is 0. Same vector, therefore if you product same vector twice, the angle between them is 0, theta is 0. So if I show first time here, mod A into mod A, angle between them 0, cos theta, cos naught, minus A dot B, use the definition, A dot B, mod A, mod B, the angle between them we call theta. So mod A, mod B, cos theta equal to 0. So you know cos naught is 1, therefore mod A is mod A square. Modulus mean not a vector. I hope you know this the basic ideas of vectors. Mod of a vector mean a number, scalar value only, numerical value only. So mod A multiplication, two numbers multiple, 5 multiple 5 square, 7 into 7 square, like that. Mod A square, cos naught is 1, right? Equal, I'll take this side, mod A, mod B, cos theta. Therefore subject the cos theta and calculate the angle value. Also another definition given, this one, that also we can apply here. So mod A square divide by mod A mod B equal to cos theta, Therefore what is cos theta? We cut one mod here, mod A here square, so cut one, that is mod A over, what is vector modulus B? They said that 2 times vector A, so therefore mod A cancel, answer is half. Cos theta is half. So you know the pure maths. Cos theta half, therefore theta is 60 degrees or pi by 3. So theta equal pi by 3. This is the first part. For the given information, evaluate to find the angle between the two vectors A and B. If any confused problem, pause the video and yourself try it and connect with me my answer. at the second part here. Second information, vector mod A equal to vector mod B also equal to the A plus B. So in this condition, also calculate the angle between the two vectors A and B. So there's a definition asked in the initial part. So we'll follow the same idea, that will completely a dot product, a scalar product problem. So how this, so here we take, all are equal, all numerically, all same answer. So I take here A plus B, the A plus B mod is given. I'll square it, that's equal to this. They said is equal to this. We take one of this, mod A plus B equal to mod A, or take mod B. Now try to use the dot product idea inside this. When you square it both sides, so square mean multiple same vector itself. So therefore, A plus B mod square, we also mod A square. That means same vector, again you multiple product. So what is A plus B square? I can say vector A plus B into A plus B. As I shown previous problem, mod A square mean what? A dot A is mod A square, x dot x is mod x square, like that. Yeah. And mod A square. Now we multiple this two and you can get the cos theta inside. Wherever A dot B comes, we can say mod A mod B cos theta. So multiple this bracket A dot A plus A dot B plus again B dot A, that is the ordinary algebra method, A dot B equal to B dot A, both same. So I say therefore A dot B plus B dot B. Here what? Mod A square. Mod A square. So what is A dot A? Vector A dot, again it's itself, we call that is mod A square. Mod A square. Mod A square. Plus A dot B, again A dot B, addition twice, that is 2 times A dot B. 2 times A dot B. And here B dot B mod B square equal to mod A square. So what? So here vector A modulus equal to vector B, also A plus B. So A and B modulus are equal. Therefore in this case I can cut this way. Mod A is same, cancel. So number values cancel. So remaining part 2, what is A dot B? That is a definition, scalar product, mod A, mod B cos theta. So then only we can find the angle theta here. Mod vector A, mod vector B cos theta plus mod B square equal to 0. Mod B square equal to 0. So you can solve now subject theta or cos theta. You can cut another mod of 1b, cut 1b. So cos theta becomes what? If I take minus vector mod B and vector A 2. So you know A and B are same, get given data, mod A vector equal to mod B vector, both same. So you cancel this, the answer is minus half. So cos theta becomes minus half. Therefore the angle theta between the vectors, what is cos negative second quadrant, 120 degrees. Therefore theta is 2 pi by 3. Okay, or 120 degrees. Here's my first question. So any problem here, confused, pause my video and recheck that you learn already somewhere that idea of vectors. It's a grade 12 chapter, but the very important part in the exam paper, final papers. Right, my second question, my second problem from through this video. Write this: vector L and vector M. Vector L and vector M are two vectors. Such as vector L equal A into vector A plus B into vector B. Vector L and vector M are two vectors such as vector L equal A into vector A plus B into vector B, comma, vector M equal B into vector A plus A into vector B. It's given L and M vectors. Where vector A and vector B are inclined at an angle theta. Where vector A and vector B are inclined an angle theta. Also, vector A modulus equal to A, vector A modulus equal to A, comma, vector B modulus equal to B. Find vector L dot vector M. That means product of these two vectors. Find vector L dot vector M and show that its maximum value is 2AB into A square plus B square. Its maximum value is 2AB into A square plus B square. Also find its minimum value. It's my second question. If any problem, pause this and recheck or revise the video and write this problem. So best question, nice question. Let's see how to work this under using, again this also under dot product, scalar product, A dot B is mod A, mod B cos theta ideas you have to implement here. So they said two letters, vector L and vector M are provided. A into vector A plus B into vector B, the same as the other one. Also another information given, mod of vector A means A, mod of vector B means B. Also they said, like earlier question, the angle between the two vectors is theta. The two vectors A and B, the angle between them is theta. So find the big value, large maximum value of that L dot M, the answer is provided. Also find the minimum. Okay. So therefore we start from what they require, the method. So here L dot vector M, we product these two vectors. So what the answer? L is given A into vector A plus B into vector B. So carefully shown this letter because of something confused. A they are separately, vector A they are separately. Yeah, B, both are B's, but one is vector, one is scalar. Dot The M means B into vector A plus A into vector B. This is L dot M. So here we don't know what the angle between L and M. Therefore you can't say mod del, mod dem, cos theta, cos alpha, not valid. Here this side only the problem available to be complete. So multiple the brackets, product it. Multiple this bracket, A, B. A vector, so A dot A. Plus multiple this A into A square, right? Into mod A, that A and B, vector A dot vector B. I multiply by this. Now multiply this one plus B into B square. I can say B dot A or A dot B both same. A dot B plus here B mod B square. B square. B square. Okay, and B dot B. So this is correct. A B, okay, mod A dot A, and this A square A dot B, here B square A dot B, and this, right? So therefore L dot M vector M. So here A B. So as this is my third question, second question we worked many times previously. What is A dot A means mod A cos naught. That is mod A square, right? This is mod A square plus here A square. Can I take the A dot B out here? Take the A dot B out. So A square plus B square into A dot B. Into A dot B. Take the A dot B out, and A square plus B square into A dot B plus here B square. What is B dot B? B dot B, mod B cos naught. Therefore mod B square. Mod B square. Okay. Now they ask that they also further given that mod A equal to A, mod B equal to B. So I will substitute that. Therefore L dot M vector L dot M equal. What is mod A? That is A. Mod A is A. So if you say mod A is A square here, A square into A cube, right? A power 3. So A power 3B plus here A square plus B square. They said the two vectors A and B, the angle between them is theta. Therefore, what is A dot B? Mod A mod B cos theta plus again here what? Mod B means B. Mod B means B. So B square into B. Is it okay? Multiplied by B into B square A dot B. Here AB plus one is AB, right? AB. So mod B dot B is mod B, it's square, they have B square, and here AB. So what the answer? B cube, therefore AB cube, right? AB cube. So simplify now. L dot M vector L dot vector M equal to any further simplification A cube B. Now see the first and the last. We can take what? AB out, AB take out, AB take out, becomes A square plus B square. Nice question, nice work, simplify. A, B take out, therefore A square plus B square So here also we substitute that product knowledge, scalar product knowledge, plus a square plus b square. So what is mod A? Here they say A, mod B is B. So AB cos theta. AB cos theta. So answer is provided. Find the maximum value of that L dot M. So therefore L dot vector M. Here take out A square plus B square. Also AB take out. So AB into A square plus B square into what? Here this is taken out, that is 1, plus this is taken out, then cos theta. Cos theta. That's all. Is the answer generally for L dot M. Now they ask find the maximum and minimum value. One answer is provided for the maximum. So what is maximum? Here A is a constant, B is a constant. Theta only vary, theta change between 0 to pi. So to get the maximum of L dot M, cos theta should be maximum. To find the maximum of L dot M, cos theta should be maximum. So what is cos theta maximum? Cos bounded between -1 and +1. So 1 is the biggest answer, cos theta. So we put cos theta 1, you can get the maximum. So write this. When cos theta takes its maximum value, L dot B become maximum. When cos theta takes its maximum value, L dot M take the maximum. But the cos theta maximum is 1. Then write the answer. Therefore, L dot M max, write like this, maximum equal to AB into A square plus B square cos theta maximum 1. It's happened theta is 0. So here 1, cos theta is 1. So you know 1 plus 1, here 1 plus 1. So therefore the answer given as 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore 2 times AB into A square plus B square. This is the maximum value. Also next find the minimum value of this product of the L dot M. Same method, when cos theta takes maximum, we have the answer for maximum of L dot M. Same method, cos theta takes minus, that means negative, minimum. Cos theta becomes small value, minimum value, L dot M is minimum. So similarly you can write that answer. But the cos theta minimum -1, cos theta minimum is -1, then write the answer for L dot M minimum. Vector L dot vector M minimum, min equal to what? AB into A square plus B square 1 plus cos takes minimum value -1. So here 0. So completely therefore 0. Is the problem, the good question of this my second convolution vectors. So if any problem, pause this and try yourself, repeat it step by step. It's become simple. Go to my explanation. Clearly you can, I hope you can identify properly these vector models, structure type questions. That's structure type problem in the exams. Okay, we'll see my third question. Write this third problem. Question number 3. If the angle between the unit vectors vector A and vector B, if the angles between the unit vectors vector A and vector B is theta, show that tan theta by 2 equal vector A minus vector B modulus over vector A plus vector B modulus. If the angle between vector A and vector B are unit vectors, then show these tan theta by 2 equal vector A minus vector B modulus mod of that divided by vector A plus vector. So, and the best problem, this nice question involving again this dot product, scalar product of two vectors. So here I hope you know about the unit vector. What do you mean the unit vector? If the modulus of any vector is 1, unity, 1, number value is 1, then we call unit vector. Usually you know there's orthogonal system, that the Cartesian system I, J, K. I is a unit vector along the x-axis. So what do you mean I? Therefore, mod of the I is 1. Mod of I is 1. The same as mod of D is 1. So any, for example, generally they say U is a unit vector, then what do you mean? Mod U is 1. Mod U is 1. So here the additional knowledge they asked, they said A and B are two unit vectors, therefore mod A is 1, mod B is 1, right? I take two vectors A and B, and the angle is theta, the angle between them is theta. So in this case A and B are not an ordinary vector, special here unit vector. So mod A is 1, mod B also 1, right? Because they are unit vectors. Okay, then we start with the dot product idea. The angle is given. The problem is find the angle value in terms of tan theta. So some pure math knowledge, not only applied here, some pure knowledge, tan theta, how to convert the cos theta into tan theta, can go to the answer. So here, A dot B, what is A dot B equal mod A into mod B into cos theta. Okay, by the definition of the scalar product, dot product, A dot B is this mod A, mod B cos theta. So A dot B equal, what is modulus A in this question? Unit vector 1. So 1 into 1 cos theta. Okay, therefore cos theta equal A dot B, cos theta equal A dot B. But the problem not in cos theta, tan theta. That's your trigonometry, pure maths. So how you learn that any definition or any conversion, tan and the sine, tan and the cos. That's the double angle formula. What is cos 2 theta? What is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta equal what? 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. It's a double angle formula not in applied. That's your basic identities, trigonometric identities. Double angle 1 minus tan square, 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square. That's for 2 theta. So what is 1 theta? Therefore cos 1 theta, 1 minus tan square theta by 2, 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Then we have the theta by 2 idea. So now therefore we write for cos theta 1 minus tan square theta by 2 over 1 plus tan square theta by 2 equal to A vector A dot B. Vector A dot B. So hereafter I take t for tan square, right? Easy to minimize the work time problem in the YouTube channels. So I take t for tan theta. Then we write 1 minus t square equal A dot B into cross multiple 1 plus t square. Okay, now here you subject, simplify and get what is tan square theta by 2, or in my letter I use t, notation I use t, what is t square, right? So rearrange, solve that here, 1, I take this one minus A dot B, here take and find the 1 t square out, A dot B t square minus that side plus 1 into t square. Is it t means tan square theta by 2. Therefore, t square is what? Simplify. 1 minus A dot B over 1 plus A dot B. Okay, 1 minus A dot B and 1 plus A dot B. But there is still we don't have the answer. It's part of the answer, but the answer is module of A minus B, also mod of the A plus B. Okay, therefore I take this is A, say equation A, or any equation number 1 or anything. Now we use how to get the other side of the answer. Mod A plus B or mod A minus B, right? Let's we take multiple again, square it. Take the mod A plus B, square it, and we can go to again once again the theta form there, and we can equate it. So in this case, I take consider, you can write consider A plus B dot A plus B. Consider A plus B vector dot into scalar product A plus B. So what do you mean? We work previous question. A dot A means mod A square. B dot B means mod B square. So here you can say A plus B square. Okay, A plus B square. So see the idea. Then you have the mod A plus B square, or later you can take a square root. That is a different idea. Basically it's the concept how to answer. Or you take A minus B. Same idea, take the A minus B or A plus B. First I took the A plus B. Answer now multiple the brackets. Dot product. A dot A plus A dot B plus A dot B plus B dot B equal A plus B modulus square. Modulus square, right? So what is A dot A? We work, I think many times we work earlier questions. A dot A means mod A cos naught, that is 1. So here is mod A square, right? Mod A square. Here what? A dot B, again A dot B 2 times. 2 times vector A dot B. Here B dot B mod B square. Mod B square. That side A plus B square. In this special problem here, not only ordinary vector A and B, vectors are what? Unit vectors. They said vector A and vector B are 2 unit vectors. So size magnitude is 1. Numerically value is 1. So here 1. This also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, right? So 2 plus 2 2a dot b equal vector a plus vector b modulus square. Okay, here 1 1 plus 1 2a dot b and that value. So now we have the answer for a dot b ideas also. Can I take the 2 out? I take the 2 out. It becomes 1 plus a dot b 1 plus a dot b equal mod a plus b modulus all things square. Okay, this I said my first equation. I say number 1. The idea, I took the a plus b separately. So this idea, that first equation. Now we need the a minus b. So follow same method, find the a minus b answer. Same method here, a minus b, again multiple by a minus b. Then if you continue, what happened? Similar, the idea here minus, so here minus, it become here minus. So you can write in one word, similar, the same happens here, right? So we can say similar what? 2 into 1 minus a dot b equal to what? Vector a minus vector b mod square. I say second equation. If you're confused, stop the pause the video. You try again the same method for the minus dot. A minus b, again a minus b. You will get the same answer. But in exams, such a problem not necessary to work full completely. Again, not necessary. You write similar. You can leave this method answer. So now, see the problem. A minus b over a plus b, modulus of, you will show this one. A minus b over a plus b modulus answer we required. Therefore here, what the idea? What? A minus b numerator, a plus b denominator. So divide. 2 divide by 1 and see. Second equation divide by first equation. Second equation divide by first equation. So see 2 cancel. 1 minus a dot b over 1 plus a dot b. 1 plus a dot b. See other side. This one, vector a minus vector b modulus square over a plus b modulus square. If we divide the second equation by the first, because the answer is like that, a minus b up, a plus b down. This I said equation b. We see equation b. See now very clear. It's clear. See the both equation a, equation b, both are equal, both are same because of 1 minus a dot b over 1 plus a dot b. Here also same. 1 minus a dot b, 1 plus a dot b. Therefore both are same, right? So connect the a and b. Therefore a comma b. So gives you what? T square. I take now t for tan square theta by 2. Tan square theta by 2 equal what? This one. Vector a minus vector b mod square over a plus b mod square. So take the square root both sides. Remove the squares or take the square root. You can get the answer. The answer is this, tan theta by 2. Therefore tan theta by 2, tan theta by 2 equal vector a minus vector b modulus over a plus b modulus. So So, and the best question, nice problem under this. It's like a so far big, it become a essay type question. So practice this. Stop my video and check the any accuracy of this answer. Become very clear.